Hi, I'm Dr. Rick Mitchell from Fairfield Equine Associates. I've served as a veterinarian to the United States Equestrian Team for over 22 years, either in the capacity of a show jumping team veterinarian or dressage team veterinarian. I've had the opportunity to use the Multi Radiance Laser on a number of occasions for horses in high-level competitions, including international shows and the World Equestrian Games. This device has been very useful for maintenance of our horses' comfort in lieu of perhaps other more invasive techniques. We use it for recurrent neck and back pain, muscle soreness, various tendon and ligament inflammations. I found it to be a very simple tool to use, but a very effective tool that has a wide variety and range of uses.
My name is Will French. I'm an associate veterinarian at Littleton Equine Medical Center just outside of Denver, Colorado. We've used the MR4 ACTIVet laser for just over a year now, and I've been really pleased with the results. Use it a lot for wounds and been impressed with the decreased amount of time that it takes for those wounds that I've used it on to heal. I also do a lot of chiropractic and acupuncture in my practice, and really enjoy using the laser on horses that are intolerant to needle placement or are really sore to adjustment. The laser does a nice job of making those horses more amenable to treatment, deactivating trigger points, and really helps get a little bit more done on those patients. I also like it for soft tissue injuries, tendon and ligament injury, and as well as soft tissues along the back and neck. And it's also nice to rent it out to clients too. They really like being involved in their horse's treatment on a daily basis, and it's also been a good return on our investment.
Hi, I'm Dr. Amy Norval. I work at Virginia Equine Imaging in Middleburg, Virginia, and I have particular experience with the MR4 ACTIVet with our sport horse clients. I love this laser because I can send it home with the clients to use on a day-to-day basis. We find it speeds up the healing of the tendons, and then when we're dealing with wounds, we can make sure we get a really cosmetic effect with the minimal proud flesh at all, which is so important for our show athletes.
The successes that we've seen with the laser have been quite dramatic, in so much so that the time constraints put on the doctors to treat these horses in the field were limited with the number of cases we can see in any given day. So we're planning on having more lasers available to actually train our clients so that they can treat horses in-house. Most horse people like to do as much as they can for their horse, and this has been reflected in both the care, barn management, supplements, you name it. The use of the laser is something that we can actually put in the hands of our clients, which they can do on a daily basis, that they can feel good about, that they're not going to hurt themselves or injure their horse, and their horse will benefit from the effects of the device.
Hi, I'm Dr. Ken Allen, and I'm here to talk to you a little bit today about laser use in athletic horses. My first experience with the Multi Radiance Laser was at the 2010 All-Tech World Equestrian Games, where we used the units extensively in physical therapy and reducing inflammatory change in the equine athlete. Multi Radiance and USEF have found a way forward to help equine athletes of many different disciplines by Multi Radiance sponsoring not only the team veterinarians with these units to utilize in their roles, but also as an official sponsor of USEF. I personally, in my practice, find the laser works well in utilizing it in lameness and in treatment of a variety of different problems, including wounds and different types of athletic injuries. It reduces inflammatory change, it helps us maintain these athletes at their peak, and it makes them feel better. So I'm happy to work with it and have had the opportunity to work with it for some years. Thank you.